Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the town of Maypen. Now Maypen is the capital of Clarendon and the largest town in Clarendon. It's also the most populated town in Clarendon. And when driving from say Kingston to Mandeville, you have the main towns are Spanish Town, then Maypen, and then Mandeville. So for the parish of Clarendon, this is the main town. So this is where you're going to find all the government offices, all the government infrastructure, the courthouse, the tax office, the post office, the doctor offices, the hospital. Maypen actually has everything except an airport. Maypen should really be a city. Not sure why we only have two cities in Jamaica, but Maypen definitely has all the infrastructure needed. And when we said they don't have an airport, were plans, or there are plans to convert Vernon Field into an airport. I think it's going to be an international airport as well. But no specifics as to a timeline or the cost have been put out yet. Alright, so we're going to now turn on Manchester Avenue. If we turn left, we would go drive out of the town centre back to the Maypen bypass. Go straight and it takes you up into Chapeltown and those areas. But we turn right and we're going into the town centre. Just to give you an example of how populated Maypen is, it has two KFC locations. So this is Manchester Avenue. It's a very unique name for a road in Maypen because Manchester is the next parish over after Clarendon. You go into Manchester. So you would think this would have been named Clarendon Avenue, but this is Manchester Avenue. As you can see, it's a very busy town. So Manchester Avenue now becomes a one-way, so we can't drive up that road, so we have to go this way towards the town centre. There is a sign, Maypen Town Centre. This is because of the one-way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.